Inihain na sa Kamara ang ikatlong impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ang mga pinakahuling balita tinutukan live ni Milky Regunan. Miss Milky.
Joel at Karen, inihain ngayon ang ikatlong impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa tanggapan ni House Secretary General Reginald Velasco. Ang impeachment complaint na binubuo ng 70 pahina at kabilang dito ang grounds na tinukoy ay culpable violation of the Constitution, bribery, graft and corruption, plunder, technical malversation at betrayal of public trust. Ayon kay Attorney Amando Ligutan, ang tumatayong legal counsel ng mga complainant, base sa resulta ng mga committee hearings sa Kamara, ang nilalaman ng reklamo, partikular ang questionable paggamit ng confidential funds. Pakinggan natin si Attorney Amando Ligutan.
What makes this complaint different from the two already filed impeachment complaints is that these priests, these lawyers believe that with what transpired and with what the public saw during the committee hearings, it's no longer just the legal and constitutional obligation of the members of the House of Representatives to impeach and for the Senate to remove from office the sitting Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines. It has now become their moral obligation to do so. Not only legal, constitutional, it's now their moral duty to do so.
Ang ikatlong complainant o complaint ay indosa naman ni Representative Gabriel Bordado ng 3rd District ng Camarines at Lex Collada ng isang party list group. Ang 12 complainants ay kinabibilangan ng mga pari mula sa Diocese of Navariches, Order of Carmelites, Congregation of Missions at mga abogado mula naman sa Union of People's Lawyers of Mindanao. Para sa MBC TV Network News, ako si Milky Regunan, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Live mula sa Kamara de Representantes, maraming salamat Miss Milky Regunan.